Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make oatmeal butterscotch bars. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1 cup of butter softened to room temperature, so that's 2 sticks, 1 cup of brown sugar, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 3 cups of old-fashioned oats, and then 2 cups of butterscotch chips. And then you're going to need a jelly roll pan. Mine is 16 by 12, and I did line it with parchment paper, and I'm going to spray the edges. Next, you want to preheat the oven to 350, and then in a large mixing bowl, we're going to cream together our butter and 2 sugars with an electric mixer on medium speed for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, we're going to add in our vanilla extract and our 2 eggs and just mix that to combine. Alright, next we are going to add in everything except for our butterscotch chips and our oatmeal and just mix that to combine. That looks great, so let's go ahead and add in our oats. That looks well combined, and I just went ahead and used my mixer, and then I just used a spatula to make sure it's all incorporated. So now we're going to do the same thing, just use a spatula to fold in your butterscotch chips. That looks well combined to me. So now we are just going to spread this into our prepared pan, and you will have to use your spatula or your hands because it is really sticky. All right, my dough is finally all spread. That did take a while because, like I said, it is really sticky, and you are going to spread it pretty thin to fill your whole pan. So now we are going to get that into our oven at 350 for 20 to 22 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. You do not want to let this burn. My dessert just came out of the oven, and you can see the edges are nice and golden brown, and let me just tell you guys, this smells amazing. But now we gotta let it cool completely before we cut it into bars. My dessert is all cooled off, so now I am just going to go ahead and cut it into bars. You can cut it in as little or as big of bars as you would like. All of my little bars have been cut, and I cut mine into quite small pieces because I'm taking them to a potluck tomorrow. But they really look and smell amazing. I can't wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone. Come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye.